Alright, today we're going to talk about multiplying integers. That means multiplying positive and negative numbers. Now, we've been multiplying positive numbers since 3rd grade, so we're not going to spend any time on that. But what if one of the numbers is negative? What if we have numbers that are like negative 5 times positive 5? Well, there's simple rules to remember. If one of the numbers is negative and the other is positive, that means there's only one negative sign in the multiplication problem or the division problem, then the answer is always negative. For example, negative 5 times 5 is negative 25, or 25 divided by negative 5 is negative 5. Okay? There's only one negative sign in both of these problems. But if the two have the same sign, meaning that they're either both negative or both positive, then they are always positive. Remember we learned yesterday, minus minus equals plus. The same is true when you are multiplying or dividing two negative numbers. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. It's like the minus signs again cancel each other out when you're multiplying or dividing. Or negative 36 divided by negative 4 is positive 9. Okay? So when you follow those simple rules, you'll get the right answer. Look at page 8. I'm sorry, page 270, number 8. Page 270, number 8. Negative 8 times negative 1. What happens to the two negative numbers? Gracie?
They cancel each other out.
Yeah, the minus signs cancel, so this is a positive 8. Yep. How about number 9? 5 times negative 2. It's negative 10. Why? Why is it negative 10? Come on, 6th graders. You just answered the last one. Great?
Because it is canceled out?
Right, because there's only one. Now, if we're using the concept of canceling out, then what is this answer? Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. What's the answer here? If 2 cancel each other out, there's 1 left. How many of you think this is a negative answer? All right, let's check it. What's negative 3 times negative 3, class?
9.
Positive 9, right? What's positive 9 times negative 3? Negative 27. What can we conclude then about an odd number of negative integers? If you're multiplying or dividing an odd number of negative integers, then the answer is negative, yeah. Yep. How about this one? What is negative negative 5 to the 2nd power? What does that mean?
Negative 5 times negative 5? Yeah.
Negative 5 times negative 5? which is what?
Positive.
Positive 25, right? What's negative 5 to the third power?
Negative 5 times 125.
Close.
Negative 125.
Sam? What is it?
Negative 125.
Negative 125, right. See, there's an odd number of negatives. This one has an even number of negatives, right? One more type of problem that you'll need to do. What if we don't know what a number is? We use a variable for that. What is negative 4n equals 32? What does n equal? What would n have to be? Merlin? 8? So negative 4 times 8? Aha! It'd have to be negative 8, wouldn't it? N has to be negative 8 because a negative times a negative equals a positive answer. And this is positive 32. Right? So, think about what is needed in order to get either a positive answer or a negative answer when you're doing these. Okay? So, once again, if two numbers have the same sign, the answer is always positive. Or if there's an even number of negatives, the answer is always positive. If there's an odd number of negatives, it's always negative. Yep.